going on a backyard, little bit abstract gates or whatever we needed work in the backyard. Extended my the garden beds, right? I wanna replant the tomatoes. They was now sitting in the pots, and I wanna plant it there, like in those gardens. I think they will feels better there. And I get in the Carolina watermelon, and they have a flowers right now. So I wanna plant it, and we'll see. Maybe they will do something there. We don't have so much shade there, but no, and updates, guys. You know what yesterday, so also today my tooth little bit cracked or broke. It's and how we say now, we don't have a car because yesterday, basically this night, those happens. I will edit video. So let's go, guys, work together in the garden. You ready, Pop? Oh, it's hot. 150 degrees. Excuse me, please, раз мені до мухи. Банечка sit there since morning, I guess. Bunny. Okay, not bother you. Вы собираетесь спать? Welcome, everybody. Just put you there. Ah. No, but seriously. I basically did the video and everything what I did like I don't know, maybe like 40 minutes or whatever to phone turn offs. It's just crazy. I don't like it, this phone. So I have an older phone, what is a 13 one or whatever. They are working perfectly in the water everywhere. This one doesn't. This one's like every couple of seconds like it's hot for me and he just turned off himself with a 17 or what. It's just crazy. It's hot for a phone. For more newer, like I have to be more stronger, but for some reasons, I all sweat. I'm all wet. It's just like I'm taking a shower, seriously. All wet. All wet. I'll take a break, couple seconds. And after show you different video, more done I hope, but I know my heart even hurts. It's like more than 100 degrees. I don't know, it's like a Vegas now. And it's also everybody say about how wet like moisture in the air. I don't know, it's also dry. So it's dry and wet. It's like a combination. Again, maybe rain will be so becoming in some sort of a rainy seasons. Anyway, look at even on the dog. Same, right? We have to work. We can't just say like, oh, I'm tired and turn off the like phone. Phone just turn off automatically. We have to work. Guys, please push like for our job. I try to do planter box. How I say extended. And replanted from the pots tomatoes, watermelon. Gosh, why you turn off all the time? Watermelon and some other stuff, and probably put the little gate around because we have a bunny and how you know, I don't know, someone eat the tomatoes before, so there's like was only 3 tomatoes and 2 of them was broken. Now it's only 1, so I hope I save only 1 tomatoes. This is the garden. Sometimes maybe it's like wow, it's like good to have a natural, but it's so hard to grow them because or it's sun kill them, or it's like other thing, or like some mouses or rabbits or other stuff. I don't know, it's just crazy. It's like probably sometimes it's more easier going by in the store. Whew, okay, battery also seed. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Whew, thanks for watching. So I come in the house and now it's shade. Thank you. How I don't like it how it looks with all this. Absolutely. But guys, life in a doll's village. We just put those table for like $10, $10. No one wanna buy them like. Those one like $100 is still like, but just buy like almost $2,000, like a real metal, and it's so huge one. It's just crazy, I don't know. No words.